Okay, because like all car people, I am really good at making bad decisions, so I have decided to race our NSX in Super Unlimited with NASA this weekend, with a bunch of new stuff on that we haven't tested. So let me just run that through you, and we'll see how it goes this weekend. So we tucked our ABS unit right underneath the cowl area because that was the most convenient area where all the lines were going to converge. Still need to do some organizational stuff, obviously, but this was a test to see if everything was going to work, which it did. Obviously, we took the factory ABS connectors and simply pigtailed them with DTM connectors on both sides and on the rear. We're going to end up bulkheading all that and making it pretty, but just for this weekend, we'll see if everything works out okay. So if you have an NSX, though, that's not modified to the hilt like this, you can actually still put that unit right here in the factory location and run factory lines pretty close, just some mild bends and changing over a couple of the fittings on it. It's a lot more price friendly than doing like the NSX-R or the S2000 conversion. Alright, so this is round 2 of ABS. The car ended up being approximately 2 seconds faster than the last time we were out there. We did add slicks and ABS, but we also had a boost problem, so the car was actually making about 130 horsepower less and 140 foot-pound of torque less. So overall, I think it was one of the better modifications we've done, especially the ABS. And if you don't have a good ABS system on your race car, it's definitely something that you might consider. For us, it was a huge success. We look forward to developing it a bit further.